guys and welcome to Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. Today I'm going to be making fluorescent pink slime. It's incredibly easy. All you need is fluorescent pink glue and activator. I choose Elmer's magical liquid because it's far better than eye drops, contact lens solution or detergent.
This is Stanley, my little doggy. Say hello, Stanley. No, that's not how you say hello. It's not how you say hello.
So let's go.
What is that? What is that?
Anyway, I'm going to pour in some of the fluorescent pink glue. Now I'm just adding in my activator as much as you want until you get a slime consistency. That noise is horrible. Comment down below what your favourite colour is. I would say mine is probably yellow or pink, hence why I've got pink glue. But I love the colour yellow and yeah, I just love it because it's also the colour of lemons. I've actually got a lemon top on today. Now I'm just going to get my hands stuck in. This may look gross, but the more you play with it, the more it comes together. When it kind of starts to form, you can just pick up all the extra bits around your bowl. I will give you 10 seconds to click that subscribe button whilst I'm actually trying to get this off my hands. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, that was a total fail. As you can see, this is actually coming together. Peace out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.